Welcome to my Turner Spartan Plays video, and thank you for playing Lego Ice Cream Truck Review. Right here. Stuff over here. Look at that. That's the box. There's also a dog that comes with it. Guy on a motorcycle. Also, there's a headpiece, earpiece. There we go. Office bike. Here's the main part. Ice cream truck. Ice cream thing. Both sides. And the best. Opens. Doors open. This thing's eventually gonna go in the amusement park place. Eventually. There's also a few things that the amusement park I got, so I don't really want to show that bottom right now. And this opens. Actually, you should see Mr. Chill's ice cream. Let's call them historical. But this whole thing can come out right here. How's it? There's two box. Popsicles. Using this blue one keeps on. That front one up there can go out. Way. Roof part. There's the ice. Little register. Nice, yep. All the way. Yep. Yep. And that is about it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.